friends. Today we are gonna give you a pumpkin pie recipe so you can get in the mood for Thanksgiving.
And I'm gonna be here joining my mom.
So here are the ingredients. You need the pie crust, you need condensed milk. It doesn't need to be fat-free, but that's the one that I have. 1 egg and pumpkin jelly that you can also buy a can at the grocery store, but if you want to stay tuned for another video with the recipe for this jelly, I can give you another day. But if you don't have it, just buy a can of pumpkin. So now Matthew's gonna do it so you can see how easy it is.
Okay, first we put the eggs. I'm not very good at opening eggs, so.
That's okay. There's one.
Alright.
Need some help?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And the pumpkin. It's about a cup or 1 can if you buy a can. Let's do this. Okay, now you're gonna blend the ingredients, which are the egg, 1 egg, condensed milk, and pumpkin filling jam. Okay, so we blend it, and we're gonna put it in the crust, and we put it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes. But we come back to confirm once it's ready. Okay, so 350 degrees. And
Be careful not to spill it.
yeah. Hello. So it's been about an hour in the oven, so it was not only 30 minutes like I said. And this is the pumpkin pie. Now it needs to cool down, and then you can use some whipped cream to eat. And that's all for today.
Okay, thanks for watching.